Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's Tuesday. What in the world? And it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Most of you that have been watching know that if I have a What in the World Friday shave, there's usually some kind of new release, and well, there's no new release for me. I just felt like doing a straight razor shave. I was watching Bill, and he was using the Dovo Masters razor, and I thought, you know, I need to break mine out and give it a shave. This particular razor is a 6/8 razor, and it is a carbon steel blade. So today's shave soap is going to be by my buddy Eric, the Cajun blade, and this is the scentless version of the soap. As you can tell, I need some sugar. I've been using that quite often, and I'm going to be using the PAA Blue Samhain, and that is the beautiful sandalwood, pumpkin, and bourbon scent, and man, that is nice. I'll be following that up with a little bit of star jelly, and if you notice, I'm kind of trying to change things up with the video a little bit to keep you guys entertained. I have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. Used 1/4 teaspoon and 14 mils of water. There's what my lather looks like, and I'm using this beautiful orange Trotters handcraft brush. You know, after the last shave video I shaved, I felt real nice, and I could tell my face was a little bit irritated, and I think that was because I hadn't shaved in a while, and with the skin, you know, being exposed to all the extra beardness, it just was a little bit irritated. So I figured, why not follow it up with a little straight razor shave? Yeah, I don't know. I had went outside and did some other stuff, and the temperature dropped off, so it got a little bit cool. And I thought, you know, could be a little bit of windburn as well. So who knows? We'll get going here with pass number 1. I did hone this particular blade on a 6-foot diameter wheel convex stone, and I want to see if it made any difference. I don't like doing this. No, I don't mind. I feel like I do need a little bit of sugar, but here we go with pass number 1. I can't really see here. Plenty of residual slickness. I got a sponge here that I'm wiping off the razor on. I don't know if it's me. The blade actually feels nice and smooth. Definitely taking the hair off. Got to watch out on the jumpiness, because I don't want to get myself. And that may just be that I need to speed it up a little bit. Nice. And some people may not be able to tell that I do. I think I had, did I tell you I had 1 day's worth of growth? I can't remember now. Yeah, I feel like the toe of the razor needs a little bit more work on it. Let's get lathered up for pass number 2. By no means am I a master straight razor shaver. I do have a couple other straight razors in the queue, and I feel like I need a little bit more water. I usually don't spray that like that, but going to today. Probably could have used a little bit more water in the during the lathering process, but that's one of those things, it's preference. Pass number 2 across the grain. And my sponge is getting full. You can tell the stubble on from wiping this one off is not nearly as much stubble. And I've got to be careful of that. When I was younger, that little thing there was a lot larger. And my mom tied a piece of string around it and removed it. I've since been to the dermatologist and asked them if they would remove it. And of course they declined insurance. Bill, if you're watching, I'm tagging you. I've tagged you in here. So please comment below and let me know. Critique me. I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. Well, I feel like that was a successful shave. What do you think, Eric? What do you think, Sean? Bill? One of my favorite splashes. Can you believe that November is almost over? Wow. Where has the time gone? All right, well, that is going to be the shave for the day. I didn't get any weepers, nicks. I can't see. I think that's a mole. Anyway, no gushers, nicks, weepers, bleeders. That's always a good shave. I'll put a picture right here of everything I used, and I will see you probably on Wednesday.